Hello everybody, thank you very much for joining me today. I'm doing this video as a thank you for anyone that has subscribed along the way and supported me, left me comments, and it's a giveaway for hitting the 3,000, which has taken me 6 long years. I know people usually hit this in like a year. It's taken me 6 years. I don't know. I've got some staying power, haven't I? But so have you. So thank you so much, whether you're from the very beginning. Your loyalty is just amazing. Some of you are leaving me comments and you've just been there for years, so thank you so much. I'm not going to mention anybody's names because I'll be frightened of missing somebody out. And some of you are new, so thank you so much for getting me over that little goalpost that I had for myself. So gosh, that would have been so easy to give in sometimes, but you lot keep me going. So I'm doing 3 prizes today. Now, I don't want to miss out anybody that's international because I do have quite a few of you that are abroad, but you do understand, and I know a lot of you said to me, like with the members, you said, don't bother sending me a goodie bag out because postage costs such a lot of money. And it does. It costs a huge amount of money. So I'm going to do 2 prizes for UK, which I can post, and because we've got like local couriers and that, which are a lot cheaper than Royal Mail. And also I'm going to do an international, which will be a voucher. So stay tuned and I'll tell you what we're going to do about that. But there are 2 different prizes. This first one is a Melody Susie prize. So I've reused the box, so forgive me for recycling. So, right, the first thing is this, which is the Melody Susie. It's the HEMA, HPMA, TPO-free, plant-based base and top coat. And it's those lovely green golf ball sized ones, 16.5 mil of a base and top. So that's a good start for you if you're wanting to get any Melody Susie stuff. This is the gel polish bottle holder organizer, which you've probably seen on a lot of videos. Oh yeah, I'll get in it in a minute. Try not to use my nails. And this one's in pink, so I just showed it on the video and then pops it straight back in. My desk is tiny, so I haven't really got the room for it on, but it's great bottle holders, and a canister for keeping your brushes or stuff like that in if you want. So yeah, that one's going in. And then also, and you're going to be able to pick which prize you want to try for actually with these. This one is the P Series PC 100 GR nail drill, which again has only been shown for a video, and then it's been tucked away. It opens like this. So it is, I believe, the rechargeable. Is it? Sure it is. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's got a battery in, so it's a rechargeable one, and it is in pink. And then I'm going to open this, but I'm going to wish I hadn't, because I'm not going to be able to shut it again. You watch. In here, oh, come on, I want to shut it again. You see, you've got your charger. There's a little case to keep it in. Yeah, so it's just as it came to me. So the drill bits I didn't use, I used my own. So they're all as new. So this prize is for what's in this box here. And to enter for that, you're going to put enter me 1. Okay, so I'll package that up, make sure it's safe. So for this prize, you would enter and put enter me 1. Okay, so make sure you write it just like that, because otherwise the random comment picker won't pick it up. So I'll be searching for enter me 1. Okay. This next one is goodies. So there's a bit of a mixed bag in here. Again, sorry for bashing things. I've reused this box, so I've put a sticker over that. So again, this is for UK. This has got gels in. and it's quite a heavy box, to be fair. And this one is going to be Enter Me 2. So this one's got M105, M093. I'm not going to get them out and show you what colours they are. There's another 4 in there. They're all the size J ones, henna free as far as I'm aware, because I can wear them with no problem. So there's 6 gels, all brand new. And then there's some nail art gubbins. So there's these like netting to use on your nails. They're all a bit sort of different. These are rose petals. I decanted some for me and some for you. You can either keep these in your room in a pot and put some oils on, or you could encapsulate them in your, crush them a bit more and encapsulate them. So I've just got some in a little pot with some essential oils on just to make a pot puree. But I did originally buy them and did a set of nails with them. But there was tons, so I'll let you have those. There's some clippers. There's a little stand for you to put your practice tips on if you're using cat eyes, so you're not using a one with a magnet in, so that's going to help you. This is one of my favourite foils, so I got a second one of these, so I've got one, and I put this in, so it's little like English country roses. Then we have got some little horse-eye silver, well, AB ones and some black AB ones. I've got a stamper and a scraper, and I'm trying to remember how these come out so I can get them back in. Stickers, tons of stickers. Stickers. Stamping plates, there's a Halloween and there's a French design stamping plates. There's all these stickers, so there's mixed autumn, Christmas, designer, abstract, what else? Little frogs, butterflies, animals, flowers, oh, and then a couple of foils, fruit foils for someone else coming out. Another floral, that one's beautiful. And that one looks lovely with black. I don't think I've cut any of it. No, I don't think I have. That's that. Some more big horse eyes in the black sparkly. Some fruit for someone else. Some more glitters. And then some little things that came in Varnell mystery boxes. So there's some green stones, butterflies, multicoloured. They would have actually been good for Christmas lights for nails. And a couple of frogs. In the bottom is some of those. I'm not going to... Can I get them out? Can I get them out? Oh. It's those silicone guards that you wrap around your nails. Oh, look. Just remember that they go there. And you'll be all right. There's brushes. There's a long liner brush, which is fab, and a set of 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 brushes. Those stamping plates and those guards, if you see what I mean. So if you're stamping, you can put them around your fingers. So that's that. We've got little Varnell semi-circles, 3D butterflies. Get in. To go. I'll put that there. Got those packets. Here I've got, oh, I've got to get that brush back in. There's 2 brushes. You don't want to go in, are you? It's a good game. Good game, this. That. Yes, good. Right, and some crystals, chains, different shapes and pearls and things, and then some little flowers. So that's all of those in there. See if I can get these back in this box. That's going to be a fun one. Oh, made it. Yeah, so 6 gel colours and then all that nail art. So that's going to be box number 2. So just put in exactly that, enter me 2. Now, you might not use e-files and stuff and not be interested in this one at all. And you can just do enter me 2. You might have got loads of this, but you need an e-file, so you want to enter me 1. But if you're not worried about whichever, you can enter both. So I don't mind at all if you enter for both, but you will only win 1 prize. So if I pull you out for one of them, then if you get pulled out again for the second one, then I'll disregard it. So you'll just get the first one that I draw with your name on, if that makes sense. So enter me 1, enter me 2, and that's the prizes that you get. I can't guarantee delivery. I will post them. I will let you have a tracking number. I would appreciate it if, when you email me or DM me if you win, that you let me know of an in-post locker or pick-up shop near you, because that's the best for me to use to drop off. It's a bit cheaper, and things usually come in about 3 days when I get them coming from in-post. So, yeah, enter me 1, enter me 2. I will give you the instructions again when I draw it out, but for now, for entering, make sure you write it exactly as they are. And for enter me international, I don't want you to enter if you don't have Amazon in your country, because I want to get you an Amazon voucher. So it'll be 20 English pounds equivalent in your website. So, for example, if you are in Spain, send me a link to the Amazon that you use. I don't know if it's .en or .es. Can't remember. It might be .es, España. So what I'll be asking you to do at a time when I draw your name out is to send me a link for the Amazon that is used in your country, and then I'll buy it in the relevant website for you. So you've not got to pay postage by using a UK site, if that makes sense. So don't enter if you've not got Amazon in your country. If you have, it'll be a £20 equivalent voucher. So whoever gets drawn out, if you put in exactly this, enter me international. Yeah. And that'll be a voucher. So I just wanted to include everybody in this one. Now, you can all enter whether you remember or not. There is also going to be the members loyalty drawn out at some point this month, but you don't need to enter for that anyway. You're already in it. If you remember, you're in it. But these are for everybody, members or not, so long as you're subscribed. So enter me 1 for the Melody Susie for the drill and the storage and the top and base, and for all the nail art and the gels, it's enter me 2. And for the £20 equivalent voucher for your own country for Amazon, it is enter me international. So can't thank you enough for being here. This is going to be at least a week before I draw it, so I'll give you plenty of time, and I will make reference to it again in the next video, just so that it reminds people about it. But please don't forget to click the bell so that you get to know, because all of us that do these giveaways do know that sometimes we get a winner and then you don't claim it. So if you've not claimed it for a week after I draw it, I will redraw it. Anyway, so don't forget, click the bell, click all, and then you'll know either by video or a post when I do draw. But it's going to be at least a week after the date that this comes out before I draw it. So yeah, just thought it would be a nice new fresh thing after the Christmas lull. Get the post-holiday blues. Yeah, so 1 winner for each of those. And good luck, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Take care. Love you. Bye.